Back to school apartment haul from JCPenney. Starting with bedding, I got this quilt. It is so pretty and it has this like floral design. Next, I wanted some new sheets, so I got these super simple white ones. And then I'm so excited about this. I got this blanket. I wish you guys could feel how soft this is. I also wanted to get some nicer towels. So I got one shower towel and I got the matching hand towel. And then next for some decor, I got these two gold hanging picture frames. These are just so cute. I cannot wait to put my pictures in these. I also got this little charging station. This is what it would look like and it would be perfect for my bedside table. I also got this super cute little plant. Then I got a few things for the kitchen. I got this water filter for the fridge. And then I got a matching air fryer and blender. I'm actually so excited for these. So this is the Cook's 5-in-1 power blender in this matte green color. It's the perfect size for a dorm or a small apartment. And same with this air fryer. This will just make cooking so easy. So go check out JCPenney for back to school season. JCPenney has the perfect items to get you ready for your college dorm or apartment. So go check them out.
I'm in the college's back section at JCPenney. You can find everything that you need for your college dorm right here. I found a white comforter and it's twin and twin XL. I love that I can mix and match and get a different color sham. I love the throw pillows and look at how cute this throw pillow I found at JCPenney. I had one of these last year and I love this pretty color. I must get this for college. Got my sheets. Look at my cart. It's already filling up because I'm finding so many good deals. So glad I could get everything I needed.
What I'm wearing this back to school season featuring JCPenney. First are these overalls. These are the Levi's sleeveless shortalls and I'm just wearing them with this blue tank top. I've been obsessed with overalls recently. Next, I'm wearing this graphic tee with some cargo pants. I also think this black bodysuit looks really good with these pants. Next is this more laid back, comfortable outfit. I'm just wearing these Levi's sweat shorts and this sweater set. You could wear it with just the tank top or with the matching cardigan over it. I also tried mixing and matching some of the pieces and here's how it turned out. JCPenney has such cute and trendy pieces, so go check them out for all your back to college essentials.
Hi guys, we've covered the fact that I'm currently in Italy, but we have not covered the fact that I'm living in a dorm. Like, this is like back to school campus life for me. So I went to JCPenney and I bought a bunch of really cute casual pieces to like just walk around the dorm in and like kind of like be on campus because like I don't always want to be wearing like cute little dresses. So basically we're doing a little back to school haul with JCPenney of just like cute casual stuff you can wear around campus. First thing I got were these white little shorts that are adorable. I feel like I can wear them with anything, whenever, cute little pockets. I got these adorable blue shorts. Lately, I'm really into biker shorts because I think they're so flattering and like I can wear them with hoodies, which I wear to class often, and like not look like I'm wearing nothing, you know? A little navy blue moment because this goes with anything, cute little white top. My personal fave, these pink shorts. I actually wore them on the airport on the way to Rome. So I love these. And then I also felt like I just needed some cargo pants, and so I looked on JCPenney. I was like, do they have cargo pants? And they did, and they're super cute. I actually wore them already, so I'll show you a photo. And again, this is like super casual, more comfortable than jeans, but if you ever don't want to wear shorts, cargo pants is where it's at. So yeah, go check out JCPenney for some back to school fits if you guys want. Bye guys.